This is the minute no selection made. Do you make a reservation for the lightning lane?
Don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo!
Oh, let's go explore. Oh, let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Oh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of blue.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. Catch me.
Swim away! Watch out! Ah!
Look, I'm scared now. Oh, what, please me? Huh? Neener, neener, neener. Oh, yeah. Too fast for you.
too far.
The big blue world I've never seen before. So happy.
Help! Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place. Bye, bye-bye, see you, so bye, bye-bye, thanks for coming. Did you know yesterday 18,257 people came to the moon? It's exactly 3.27 kilometers. Hey, where are you going? Starfish can turn our stomachs inside out. I can do